In today's video, I'm going to try to get better at using easy layouts for a project that I want to use it on, and I am counting on help from the chat. All right. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Let me get ready here. Thank you for tuning into Watch Me Work live stream number 274 here in the Basic Joomla channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. Also work on Joomla sites, build them, maintain them, migrate them. If you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term, or just to get you out of a spot, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. Today's video is brought to you by our channel sponsor, mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru and get a free site audit for your Joomla site. And while you're there, check out all the tools and information that will save you time and money managing one or multiple Joomla sites, and sign up. Use the coupon code BASICJoomla. Let them know that you use that. You get a free month doing that. All right. So, a couple of caveats at the beginning here. Probably will mention this later because people come in late. But as you can tell from my voice, I am getting over, I think I was not feeling well last week. I'm getting over, I just have that little bit of a cough and my voice is a little bit croaky. I'm feeling pretty good, but I do cough every now and then. So instead of apologizing every time I cough, I'm just going to apologize now for all coughs that happen in the live stream here. All right. So, yeah, apologize for that. I'll probably apologize later on. Also, for those of you that are new to the stream, if you're watching this, there's going to be a lot of stuff here I have to figure out along the way. So truly back to its most original roots of Watch Me Work. It's, if you're here for a scintillating, concise tour or tutorial on how to use easy layouts or to do custom layouts in Joomla, this is not the droid you're looking for. So I just don't want you to be disappointed. You know, watch for 15 minutes and think like, oh my goodness, when's this guy going to get to it? It is what it is. Let's say hi to everyone in chat. Mary is here. She says she loves easy layouts, which is great. I had this plan, but I didn't have easy layouts downloaded. I couldn't even remember the name of it. So I don't know if Mary has seen this yet. But I actually just 10 minutes ago asked her what the name of this extension was on Facebook. So and then I figured it out. So Mary loves easy layouts. Ivor loves easy layouts. Oh, Ivor loves easy. Hello, Ivor, Mary, Bjorn, Valerie, Derek, Michael. Good to have you all here. All right. I probably should have taken some cough medicine before I did this. You know what? I have cough medicine upstairs that will make this better. And that was probably going to be better for you guys too. So I hate to do this right at the beginning, but let me pause this and run and take that cough medicine. I should, it's just bad planning on my part. I did fix it so that this music will loop, but I'm going to run. I would be so fast. It won't even play twice. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. let me tell you, I'll just run you an ad for this. I mean, I don't like the taste of this mess, and my wife really likes it. But it's this, oh, I have to hold it in front of me. Let's go to full screen here. Ninjam. It's honey and, oh man, herbal cough and throat syrup. It's got honey in it. I know it's got some menthol in it. My late chiropractor, he passed away about a year ago, recommended this once when I was sick, so it's not too not great. Like I said, my wife loves the taste of it, but but it works for me. That is probably going to help with the coughing, so it was worth the break. All right, let's jump right in here. Easy Layouts is an extension that will help you make custom layouts for parts of your Joomla site. Now, what would we do for a custom layout? Well, let's just look at the client site I'm going to be working on today. She doesn't have any email address information here that shouldn't be accidentally seen. But so let's go to this article here. So we have a title here, and showing here if we want to move that title so that it appeared at the end of the article. You think like, well, why would you do that? Well, you probably wouldn't. But we could change the layout of the, we could override the layout that is set up here for this Joomla article. So the layout, obviously, hey, put the article title at the top. Using a layout override, which you can do if you know the coding and that, you could find a bit that puts the title at the top of an article and put it down, and then you have an optional layout that you can assign to some articles. And so this is a tool that helps you. This is a tool that will help you change layouts and have things look a certain way. Michael says try honey and lemon in a large whiskey. Michael, you just want the large whiskey, right? So this extension, Easy Layouts, allows us to change those layouts. So let's see. Let's look at our demo site to see what is possible. Yeah, Michael says right. So a demo Easy Layouts, recipes from famous chefs and restaurants. Have you ever wondered how to prepare an amazing meal that you had your favorite 3 Michelin restaurant, 3-star? With Easy Layouts, you can place your article element and custom fields where you want them. Create different layouts by article category and also for some modules. Control the output of your custom fields. All this without the need of coding complex template overrides. Try at the front end of this site. We have created 3 different content types: restaurants, chefs, and recipes. Each one's laid out differently on the page using their own custom field. Try the different menu items above to see this action. So as we look up here, so let's see. We've got the restaurants, chefs, and recipes. So we click on chefs, and this is the layout of of the articles and the custom fields they have for each of these: hat man, beard man, mustache man. All right. But this is a presentation of Joomla articles. Restaurants, and here's another one. So you've got a picture, and you've got the article here, and you've got some maps. And these maps are probably custom fields. And so in the layout, you would see that you can, you have certain things laid out a certain way. An image, you have the title, and then probably location, but maybe this is displaying custom field in that place. And hello, Vinny. Vinny says he loves it too. Great. Well, I'm good company here then. Y'all are going to help me. What was the other one that they suggested that we just take a look at for another example? Oh, recipes. Let's click on recipes. And there you go. Again, you've got your article, but then here, these are probably fields, custom fields that are displaying contents, and they're put there, and it's at the side. And so you set out how you want things laid out, and then you have things formatted and showing a certain way. So my goal today is this. On Anne's site, she's a counselor, she's a client of mine, host her website, and converted her site from Joomla 3 to Joomla 4. She really liked the layout, so we kept the same layout. that she had before, she has a whole list of testimonials. And then she wants those testimonials to appear on the site. Now, we talked about this last week when I was in last week's live stream, and it was suggested that Page Builder CK had a item or a tool in it that you can display testimonials in. And I thought about doing that, but then I thought, you know what? I really do want to learn how to do this, and custom fields works really well. So I created custom fields for those testimonials. So let's just go into the back end of the site here. Here we are. And if we go to components and content and articles. And so I have these testimonies in here as under the date that they were given. I might change that. I don't know. But we click here, and you will see this article is empty. But if we go to the Testimonials tab, here is a custom field. These are custom fields: the testimony, the source, the person who said it, and the date that they said it. And this has been entered for each of those. So what I want to do is create a custom layout. Ultimately, what I would like is to have a module down at the bottom that will display those testimonials, format it nicely. Maybe something that scrolls at some point or changes, or at least randomly changes. And also I'll create a section where they can all be seen and displayed. So that's what I'm hoping to do here. Mary says she used this recently to make custom article submission and edit edit form from the front to end a technically challenged client. Front end to a technically challenged client who wanted an easy way to add blog articles. Cool. Yeah. So yeah, if that's that. So in the front end, you probably controlled all just what they could see, and you applied that layout to only come up when they logged in, and that's good. All right, so and Bjorn says use articles anywhere in a module. Okay, and that's another thing that I thought that we could do. You just put the articles in, give it some formatting, and put that in a module. So Valerie, can you? Okay, if there's questions there. All right, so first of all, let's install this system. And by the way, let me give you the link here. Also, if you'd like to give the video a like, that would be great. Some of you remind me at the end, and I appreciate that. If you want to give the video a like, the stream a like right now, that would be great. Might encourage some other people to drop in. If Google decides to. So there's the link for easy layouts. Now we're going to go to install extensions. I've already downloaded up here. And oh, wait a second. Hold on. I'm sure that I downloaded it. Okay, I've got it. Hold on a sec here. I put it in Joomla 4 and 5 in the toolbox. There we go. Let's just drag that over here. Hey, that cough settled down nicely. I'm happy. Okay, so Valerie asked Vinny if you could use easy layouts in UTheme, and Vinny answered, you don't need easy layouts in UTheme. They effectively do the same thing. All right, so let's go here and down the component. We have easy layouts. In order to use Joomla Updater, I have to put in my ID. Yeah, that's great. So I'm going to do a new layout. And let's see here. I want to, here's all the things that you can change. I want to change a single article layout. So when a single testimonial is shown, I want it to show a certain way. Let's start with that one. Okay, layout title for testimonials. All right. Pre-fill the new layout. Match the default layout or create an empty layout. I think we will match the default layout for now. And then we can see how to take things out. All right, I can always do this again. So I'm going to go create. Now here's the layout for this testimonials, which I misspelled. So right now, this is matching everything in Joomla. There's a page heading, article heading title, article display title, custom fields. That's where any of your custom fields that appear automatically would show. And article navigation links, combined content icons, print icon, unpublished warning, not yet published warning, expired warning. So for instance, you know when you're logged into the front end of your site and it shows articles that have an unpublished warning, you could get rid of that warning there. Information block tags for article links blocks. So let's do this. And down here in the bottom right, hiding behind me, see where it says applicable categories. I only want this to apply to testimonies. So I'm going to select right there. Yeah. Changes in category selection will not affect to custom field choices until the layout is saved. Okay. So just to demonstrate layouts, I'm going to save this. Okay. And I'm going to, let's just duplicate this tab here. And I close it. And I go to content, article manager. Let's preview this article. Now, I don't have the better preview going from from Regular Labs Extension Manager. So let me just install that right now because that's going to be helpful when we're previewing things. So I'm going to install an extension. And I'm going to browse, and it's going to be right here from Toolbox Extension. I think it's Regular Labs Extension Manager. Where have I got that? Let's go down to Regular Labs, and I'm going to sort by date. There's the Extension Manager. That would be the easiest way to find what I want. Now I'm going to go over here to Regular Labs Extension Manager, and I'm going to, it's got Regular Labs Extension Manager and Sorcerer, which I am using. I'm going to put Cache Cleaner in. I'll use that later. And Better Front End Link. And what that is going to do now in this layout, when I refresh, see right now if I mouse over Nan's Tree of Life, this is just going to show the front page. If I save it though, now when I mouse over, sorry. If I go to the content and articles, go to here. Now I get the option front end. Do I want to see the article, the category it's in, or the front end? I want to see the article. Now, that is just very plain there. Now let's see what it says. The following easy layouts that are used in this page are configured to use Bootstrap 5. This page doesn't appear to load the Bootstrap framework. Please check the settings in this layout. Please note that this message only appears when you're logged in as a site administrator. Okay. So this is not loading Bootstrap. An interesting situation. All right. Well, let's go to the back end of the site here, and let's turn that on for the template. Components, template creator CK, template list, Nan's Tree of Life. I'm going to go into page settings and load Bootstrap. I'm going to say yes. All right. And I'm going to save that and apply it. So I had that off. Oh, wrong version. Page, because this is Joomla 5 now. All right. Save and apply. Now when we refresh, we won't get that warning, I don't think. There we go. And we got a little bit of change here as well. Excellent. It also looks like when I am logged into the front end, there's shared sessions on this site, and I don't really want that. So I'm just going to go back to the back end of the site here. Okay, I'm going to go to Home Dashboard. I'm going to go to Global Configuration, and under System, I'm going to, Shared Sessions. Oh, see, I have seen this happen before, literally. Shared Sessions is off, but it's still acting like that. You literally have to turn it on and off again. I know it sounds crazy, but if I refresh here, now we don't have that. Yeah, Vinny says that in easy layouts, it usually starts with a blank canvas and then add the fields that you want. Yeah, and I just wanted to use, I'm just using that set one right now so that just as a demo for, if anything, for people that are really new to layout overrides and how things work. Vinny says, check the advanced section, easy layout on the layout you want. You can select which framework you want to use. And you typically use the UI Kit 3, okay? Advanced section, easy layout on the layout you want. Advanced section. All right, well, let's just find that. Advanced, here's layout. We save this. Is that in options? Vinny? We have versions, max versions. Right hand, show advanced. Okay, thank you. So we'll go into here. Right hand. Oh, we got some options down the back here. Show advanced. Yes. Okay. So published, show advanced options. Yeah. Specific. Oh, okay. So this layout can apply for specific menu items. Interesting. All right. Oh, output framework, Bootstrap. Okay, or UI Kit, like Vinny said he chooses, or Bootstrap 4. All right, good. So I've got 5 on there. By default, easy layout doesn't load any extra CSS or JavaScript. You may want to use a framework that isn't supported by your template. If you do, then select here. We say yes. No. Okay. I don't use a framework. All right. So in this case, it's Template Creator CK. It doesn't use a framework, so I don't need to worry about that. Okay. So now if we go into our article here, content articles, I just want to show you that if we go to options, the title is set to hide. So I'm going to go show just to show you what we're working at. Oh, Bootstrap is a framework. Okay. Alrighty. Now when I hit refresh, we're going to get, I think we've seen the title there anyways. And why is that? That is because it's saying that if your template doesn't load Bootstrap, easy layouts will load Bootstrap CSS and JS. Oh, okay. Yeah, so okay. All right. So if I select yes, it would have loaded Bootstrap for me instead of the template. I might as well have the template loaded if it's going to do it. So, okay, thanks, Vinny. So I think that the reason that the heading is showing here is because we have it set there in the layout. In the article itself, I had it set to hide, but it was even changed it to show. Okay, so let's do this here. Let's also put the created date. Whoops, created date show. And now when I refresh, those details show there. Now watch what we can do. And this is just to show sort of how Joomla populates information according to a layout. We can go into the layout and find out where the dates are shown. Page heading, article heading, title, after display title plugin output. I think that is where the dates are shown. And so let's just trash that, save that layout. And because we took out the little part of this layout that says, hey, this is where you put things after the headline title, I believe that this is going to disappear. No. Why? Okay. I thought for sure. Oh, sorry. How about information block? Ah. That's okay. You just got to find the right thing here. Information block. Let's take that out. Save. Just had to find the right thing. I think that's going to make it disappear now. You dog. Let me just do this here quick. Components, regular labs extension manager. Going to go to cache cleaner to the system plugin. I'm going to set it so that it cleans. Yes, cleans the cache. When does it do it? How to clean it? I want to add the button text. It's going to clean whenever an administrator applies something, and I want to see the clean cache button up there. All right, so clean cache. Okay, Control Shift and R, and it disappeared. All right, so now see, this is the title, September 18, 2021. Yes, Vinny says easy layouts makes it easy to also add custom fields to your layout. And that's what I'm going to do. But let's go back to our layout and I'll just show you. We've got the page heading or article heading. Look, I can move it all the way down to the end. Save. Cache is clean and refresh. And now it's at the end. And so this is how you can create custom layouts the way that you want for your articles, assign them to categories, and that's what I want to do. Okay. Now, you see right now it's showing the testimony, the source, and the date. Those are custom fields. And they're set, when I created them, I guess I set them to just automatically show up. When we look in the layout, they're showing up because of this field here. If I get rid of that, go save, now those won't show. Ah, you dog. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Unless that's... Did I delete tags? Maybe. What did I do? What am I doing wrong here? I'm pretty sure the cache cleared. Is that... tags before display. That might be where those are. Maybe those are set in to show before the content plugin. Let me take that out. We'll just keep taking stuff out till it disappears. There we go. Now the reason that made it disappear, I guess, is because if I go into the content, all right, content articles, and I go into the field groups, fields, the testimony, in the setting for this field, we had it set to display, automatic display before the display content, and that's the little block. Now watch, if I set this to display after the display content, you see here in the layout, down here we've got after display content. Now when I refresh, I'll get just that one thing after the display content. Of course, there's no content in this, right? And just let me show you. Let me show you how that works. Content articles. We go into here. Let me put some content in here. Blah. I just put one blah. Okay. Now we refresh. See, that's the content. And so the field is set to display after the content. And where we know display after the content is this little thing down here. So I can actually get rid of that. And I can also go up here and remove the content. Full, article body right here. And save. And we'll go back and refresh. And now we just have the title that's still there. Vinny says he always sets his custom fields not to display automatically, so you can choose where you put them. Clearly a good plan. All right. Now, there's one last thing here that's showing, and that's that layout. In that art field. That's just for consistency. Let's just leave this. Do not automatically display. All right. And save and close. So that's testimony. Let's do just the same here to keep them all consistent. Just while I'm here. Options. Do not automatically display. Date. Options. Do not automatically display. All right. Now, nothing is going to show on there. What is that? Let's just inspect and see what that is. Oh, that's the headline. Oh, I moved that down below. All right. I moved the article headline. Even though it looks like it's at the top, it's right at the bottom. And now when we refresh, nothing. There's nothing being displayed there. Which is the same effect as if I'd started out totally blank here. So let's just do that. Had I started a new layout and it was blank, we would have had nothing here. Oops. All right. So there's nothing in this, nothing being added here, and this is totally blank. So what I would like for these testimonials is this. I would like to have the testimonial in a nice big font. Underneath, I would like the person that said it, and then a comma, and the date that they said it. And so what we're going to do is, first of all, and we don't even need all these rows, do we? Nope. The row is not empty. Okay. Oh, what do we got? Oh, there's something else in here. Oh, interesting. All right. Well, we'll have to see what. Oh, a field type. Okay. Let's just empty all of this here. Thank you, Vinny. I looked today. There's a 3 to 4 second delay between me doing things and me and then actually showing up in the stream. So sometimes I figure it out. I have 3 to 4 seconds to be smarter than you guys. Okay, so in fact, if I delete that, what is my option to put something in there? Maybe I shouldn't have deleted that. Row. I've got this. Oh boy. Now I got nothing in there. Uh-oh. Way to go, Gilligan. Now how do I put something in there? Oh, add a row. There we go. What's the row label? I'm just going to call it testimonial. All right. Framework containers, tabs, sliders, accordion. Oh, that because those. Oh, interesting. Okay. Container. Column container class for framework. A row, container, or fluid. Yeah, you can make columns here, Vinny says. Yeah. Number of columns in your grid, 3. Oh, and here you're setting them up. Everything has to add up to 12 here. So you can have columns of different layout. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. Let's see what we get. Do you want to customize this layout for small devices? Oh, so you might apply this layout to a mobile thing. Cool. Give this CSS class name for a row. That's really nice to later on if you're going to do custom CSS. You can have a class and have things assigned to the class. Good. HTML wrapper top. Render row and column containers with no HTML. Normally a row and its columns are rendered as HTML with the content from the columns. It contains an HTML is determined by a JavaScript CSS framework using. When this option is enabled, the row and columns themselves generate no HTML. Only wrappers and fields that contain this allows you to control the rendering of your rows and columns using only the wrapper HTML. Huh. Okay. HTML wrapper bottom. All right. Well, let's make this row here. Oh, look, and we got 3 rows. Okay, which is what we're expecting. And because we said 3 rows. So I could actually have 3 testimonies in here. I gotta have to figure out how it's not repeating, but let's just do 1. And now when I go into here, remember the row. I'm going to here. The row had to equal 12 here, so we're just going to select 1 of 1. All right, save and close. All right, so now in here, I want to put a field. So I'm probably editing here. A plus sign. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mary. I'll go plus. Oh, select the field. Okay. Yeah, I want to load a, not a core content field. Vinny says you wouldn't put 3 testimonials like that. You'd use articles anywhere to generate the multiple testimonies. Yeah. Yes, that would be definitely be something that articles anywhere we can select it from a certain category and then we can put information and formatting there. Okay. I want to put in a core content field, I think. No. Custom field. I'll find it. Oh, custom field. There we go. What custom field do I want to put in? I want to put in the testimony. All right. And I've got my field option here. Okay. I can even show this when, based on customs things here. Select custom field constraints. So if I go plus, example of custom field constraint. I don't have, what's this arrow here? All right. I probably don't need to do this right now anyways. All right, let's keep it simple. The custom field. Save and close. Now if I just save that and go here, there's the testimonial. Now, everybody, I want to add formatting to this testimonial. Okay, let me read chat here. Vinny says, "Are you making an article layout or a category layout? Because if the first one, you'll be showing one article, so one testimony." Yeah, right now we're working on the article. I want to create a layout for how a single article is displayed. So the next thing I would like to do is format this. All right. And so, all right, let's just close this here. Oh, let's get rid of the blah out of that. We don't need that. It wouldn't show up anyways, but not with this layout because the content's not being displayed. That's the description, the testimony, field options. Do I format the layout this way, or I must somehow apply CSS to this? All right, now I'm going to wait for you guys to catch up there and type. What do I do in order to format that field, how it shows up here? All right, we're waiting for that answer in chat there. You would apply CSS to the row. Okay, to this row here then. Okay, so let's see. What's this row? The pencil icon. Okay. So I'm going to give this CSS class for the column. No, for the row. Okay. Column output. I think I would put the class here, right? Okay. Save. Save here. Now if I go here and apply, I can then go to, let's do this, Chrome Element Inspector. Now notice down here, it's got a div class testimonial. So I could now go plus, and I could play around here. So let's go font size 2 REM. Aha. Line height 1 REM. Oh, I need more than that. So 3. Okay, I think hey, Mary says she generally makes a class and then add it to custom CSS in the template creator. But you can also add custom CSS right in the layout. Okay. Let me just pause for a quick second here. I quoted on converting a template from Joomla 3, recreating it for Joomla 4 and Template Creator CK. I quote it. I thought one of my guys could handle it, and they did a bunch. What I thought was going to take a couple of hours ended up taking me 4 days. In the process of those 4 days, I learned a ton of CSS and some tricks and using ChatGPT and stuff like that. So I'm just excited to be at this point because then I can I know what I'm doing here. Vinny says, for example, if you want the custom field of testimonials to have a drop cap, in UI Kit 3, you would add UK dropcat class to the field, not the row. Oh, to the field, not the row. So, okay, so Vinny is saying you would add the custom CSS, the field class. You would add, if you want the custom field testimonial to have a dropcat in UI Kit, you would add UK-dropcat class to the field. You would put that in the field class or somewhere in this class here. Display options. Oh, that's for the forms display. You would give it a display class or custom class, or you put something in there, and then it would just be picked up. Got you. All right. So I could take existing CSS and just put it in this field, and that's how it would be displayed. That's neat. In easy layout. Oh, not in the custom field. Okay, you would put that in easy layout. Okay. So you would do that in you would put that in easy in this layout, or would you put it inside this custom field here? You would add it to that. Okay, I was just in here. You would add the CSS here in the custom field. Okay. I'm going to return to here and just keep doing my thing, because watch, if I go margin right 10 pixels. Oh, misspelled margin. Let's go, maybe it's padding I want here. Margin left 10 pixels. Oh yeah, 10's not very much. Watch, I'm going to click on here. Let me get myself out of the way here for this part. There we go. I'm going to click on that, and I'm just going to use my up arrow to get it the way that I want. Great. Vinny says, and you would add, so you would render the field as unformatted. Then in the before, you would add a P class, a UK drop cap, and after that you would add a P. All right. I don't quite picture it in the before. Okay, I'll. In easy layout, not the custom field, you would add it to that. So you would render the field as unformatted. Non-formatted value. Sorry, top and bottom. Oh, I see. Okay. HTML wrapper. Okay, so you would put the CSS in the before, in the top, and then you would add a P at the bottom. Okay. Oh, opening tag, closing tag here. Okay. Great. Now, I think that I can do here margin, and I can go 10 pixels, 10 pixels, 10 pixels, 10 pixels. And then I get rid of this. And that is kind of nice and wrapped there. Now I want it to be on the left, I want it to be 20. Is that left? Maybe this is left. You're killing me here. Oh, left is at the end. Okay. So let's put that 40. And I think that makes, that's the right. No. No. Come on. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's left at the time. Maybe I want padding. Yeah, it's padding that I want. All right, so let's make padding of 40. What is this? I can never remember. Okay, that's the bottom. 20 is fine for me. And then I think the second one, yeah, I'm going to leave that 40. Okay. And yeah, it's just not centering, is it? Vinny says running it as unfortunate value prevents Joomla rendering how it renders fields and just leaves the text. Okay. Bjorn says top right, bottom left. I need a few more words than that. Top right, bottom left. So this is top, right, bottom, left. Got you. That's thank you. I guess I didn't need extra words there. All right. My only question is, why is this off a little bit and not centered in there? Because when I do this, oh, it's still off anyways. All right. Now, I don't really like, let's try this 1.7 REM. A little too big. 1.5. Great. Let's change the line height to 2.4. No. 2. No. 1. How about just 2? No, that's not. That doesn't float my boat either. All right, and let's go text decoration, and it can be what's utilize your framework classes. Bootstrap offers formatting classes. Yes, if you know them. Great. Good idea, though. If I just use the class here. But I want this to be font. No. What's the CSS to make this italics? To italicize it? Let's see, Bootstrap. EM. Yeah, but what's the CSS? Well, you misspell it here. ChatGPT will tell me. Font style, italic. Font style, italic. There we go. That's what I want. All right, so just to show you the progress here, I'm going to copy that. And this is what Mary was talking about. And since I'm using What is this here? That's the article field. Where it's editing. I'm going to close that. I'm going to go components, template creator CK, template list, Nan's tree of life, custom code. I'm just going to bomb it into here. CSS, right? As an example, we have some code here. Control. Oh, I can't go control N on this. All right, I'm going to go control V. Save that. Apply that. Oh, using strong or EM helps with the website readers for disabilities. All right. If I refresh this, there's my table there. Now, would strong italicize it or EM? Now, Vinny, you're also saying that I could put this here. So if I put this, if I put EM in here, is EM closing tag? And let's go to ChatGPT and just get him to tell us all about EM. EM. All right, so then I could do this. If what you're telling me is I can go EM, and then at the bottom I could go EM, save and close, save that, refresh, and I probably have some EM in there, right? Do I? Oh, there we go. Look at that. Down on the right hand side, we got EM. There's the field entry, the field, and there's the text. Aha! Very cool. So if I go up to div testimonial and I turn off font style, it stays italics. Good tip. All right, so that means I could go back here, custom CSS, go back down to the end, and I could take off that. Can I paste this? Control copy X. Save and close. Save. Let me just put this back on here. Can I put this CSS there? I wonder. Nope. No, there you go. I probably have to put script, right? The other night, I struggled 2 hours to do something, to figure out the CSS, to move something and what I was working on. And then I figured, oh, I should just put this in ChatGPT. And I put in the code, said I need to align this, and it did it. Style, right. Style. All right, so if I go into here, do this, and I go STYLE, and then at the end I go, I think the ending is STYLE. Whoops, don't want a plus. Save. Save that. There we go. All right. Well. Very, very cool. So next, I want to put the name of the person in this layout. So I'm going to make a new, no, I don't want, I want a new row. All right, that was, oh, I can collapse that. This edits that row. Cancel. I actually probably don't even need the testimonial class if I put the CSS right in there, correct? If I go plus, that's putting in a new field. Okay, don't want that. So I think what I want to do is add a new row. Add a row. And this will be, I'm going to call it testifier. Testifier. Okay. And I only want one row. That's just, in fact, let's not make a class role for this. Let's go save and close. Great. Now I'm going to put a custom field and the source and what I want to output. I just want to output the value with no HTML wrapper, I guess. What did I do last time? I'm going to go field value. All right, save and close. Now, if I just do that, save that, and refresh, I get the person's name down there. That's pretty nice. Yeah, I'm enjoying this. So now, in the testifier row, oh man. Okay, make it bigger. Now I want to go into here. And I want to do the same thing. 45. I want to increase the font size. I want this to be padding to the left. Maybe I want this aligned to the right. All right. Do I do alignment in here? No. I have to do that with CSS. So if I select that, and go that, and go plus, that's just, see that, that's just the field value here. Align. Align content right. No. What's wrong with that? That wasn't it. Text align right. No. Ah. Text line right. See if padding left. Okay, so I should put it in its own little class here, I think. Let's just do that. Make it a little less confusing. Custom field. Unless I put text line right in there. All right. Don't panic. I probably spelled testifier wrong, it looks like. All right, so save and close. Save. Refresh. Row testifier. I could. Okay. Text. Align. Center. Okay, that's what I was doing wrong. Right. Now here I'll show you. Watch this. I want to. C says to display text 40 pixels to the right of center. Watch this. Position, okay, center offset text, position relative left 40, text align center. So I can test this here. Position relative left 40 pixels, text align center. Position relative text align center, and what was the last thing? Left 40 pixels. Aha, I like that. All right. Font size. REM. No. Yeah, Scott F, right? Okay, good. Padding, bottom, 40 pixels. Okay. I like how this has come together. Okay. Scott F. Now I would like a hyphen in front of that. Now I'm going to put this just in a notepad here. And stick a pin in it for now, as one of my guys says. Because I think if I go to here and go to this custom field, HTML wrapper top, I think that I can just put I can put the CSS right in here, can't I? Let's put that there. And this is, of course, I need, that's at the beginning. Or I need a closing tag. Slash style. I need an opening tag. No, that's not the way to do it. What's the way to do it? I mean, I think that's going to work. Inline CSS. Where do I put the inline CSS? Do I just leave the CSS? That's not right. Where do I put that? P style, enter your CSS. Oh. Oh, I see. So you would say I should do this. P style equals, and then I go position relative, right? Am I right? Quote. Take out that space. Okay, quote, and then I go /p, save. There we go. Nice. Now, I would like a dash in front of that. Testimonial. So, I think I can do this. Let's see if I can do this. Let's put a dash and a space just at the end of this. We'll see. No. Don't forget to add the dash, same close. I think I did. I think I did close that tag, Vinny. I've got it over here. HTML wrapper bottom. I want a dash. Whoops. I want a dash character at the beginning of each line. I paste my CSS. See what they say here. Okay, reading it what it got right. Paragraph, relative. Yeah, you're saying to put the... Oh, yeah, okay, I need to close this. You're right, I didn't close it. All right. Got you. I was thinking you were talking about closing it down here. But, all right, so let's just save. Wow, I got the dash. Oh, okay, hold on. Warren says better to use P span style. P dash span style. Okay. P span style. Yeah, and then Mary's got P before style contents. You know, ChatGPT gave me this here. Adds a dash content dash space. Absolute. All right. What's the best way to add this? You want the dash before the content to not to replace it. Yeah, okay. So okay, was I wrong to close this? Is the custom field set as an unformatted value? Probably not. I have to close that. All right, I have to close it. Yeah, I can close that. If I take this dash out, let's just get it back to working here. Yeah, see, when I close it, I lose it. All right, that's the change to unformatted value. That are we changing that in here? Custom field source unformatted, non-formatted value. Okay, great. Whoops. Save. There we go. I took the dash out. Yeah, let's put the dash in. Let's just see. There we go. All right, we got it. Unformatted value. There you go. Voila. Favicon for a tilde. Let's get that. No. Create, yeah, with canvas, CSS. Okay. It's not Favicon font. Awesome. Tilde. That's what I want there. Yeah, I got the library. Just give her to me. Tilde character. Let's just do this. Take this tilde. Going to go into the layout. And I'm going to just put that here. That's CSS for it. In a space. Save. Save. Refresh. Oh my goodness. ICANN has web design. There you go. FA regular, FA tilde. Chat GPT beat you. That's good. Now this, I don't like that this is the same. How readable is this? I wonder if that's to, where's the CSS for this? Oh, there we go. I'm going to change this to 4. Change that to 2. Oh, maybe 1. 2.1 is good. I can change that 1.4. So I can go back to here, go into here, 1.4. This is fun. Vinny says, no, it did the span. Oh, okay. Yeah, and I think that's the other thing ChatGPT said. You could just do that. Span class or I class. Oh, okay. Think we should try I class? Let me try I class then. Custom field. Oh, you're saying to add I class. Oh, yeah. I'm okay with tilde in that way, in this purpose. If you wanted a tilde at the beginning of a list that you were putting multiple things in, then you could do that as the class. Font awesome gives you the I. Then I have to put in a closing tag over here too, right? Oh, I guess I could put them both in there. Okay. I'm going to leave it that way since it's working. Now, I'm going to leave it like that for now. I could change this and have put it in a box and that. Can do some formatting outer, but next what I want to do is this. I'll go, first of all, let's see what our template positions are here. Template creator, what do we have at the bottom? We have a footer, and so I'm going to add in the template here, add an item, single module, put it at the bottom. Oh, I don't want it in there. Just a sec. I'm gonna take that out. Okay, I'm gonna put a row in. Oh, I see what's going on here. I don't want to do that. I want to do this, and I want to have a center bottom. Okay, save and close. Now, single module in the single bottom, and I'm going to say, I'm going to call this content bottom. Bottom. Okay. I'm going to go save. And I'm going to go apply. And now I'm going to go into here. I'm going to go system. New site modules. Vinny says easy layouts lets you do a lot of things. It's a great program. It's easy to add a bunch of fields in, for example, a sentence. I'm going to go new. Testimonials. mode. Let's just say no. I want to see the testimonies category. I want this to be in content bottom. And I want it to pick, is random an option here? This is the new extension here. And display one. Okay. Module display options. No. Yeah, Vinny says he'd use articles anywhere for this because he can also format the output text. Yeah. Let's just go save here. Menu assignments on all pages. I can now go home. And at the bottom, oh, there's a testimonial as a date. No, that's not what I wanted. Because I want to show the testimonials there in the module. So this is, I would do a module override, wouldn't I? Or a custom module override? Because right now it's just showing the... All right. Because I think it would just show Vinny, articles anywhere. Does it randomly pick one from a category? All right. We'll make Vinny's day. We'll do an articles anywhere. So we're going to go back here, close this. The newest article created here is this one. I'm going to trash that. Okay, so going to go to components, regular labs extension manager. Going to go to articles anywhere and install that. All right, don't have a pro key entered in here yet. We'll see if we can do it with the free one. All right, so now we're going to go to System, Module, Site Modules, and we're going to go New. We're going to go, I don't think we're going to go Custom. And do that. Oh, wait, what was that? New. Module allows you to filter lists of Joomla articles. We're going to... Okay. All right, I'll add the pro in there then. Let me just change screens then. All right, let me just go to get a key for this from Regular Labs. Regular Labs. And there, we'll go like that. Download keys. And I'm going to make a new key. All right. Edit that. home. All right, do that. Copy that. Save that. Go back to here. And cancel that. Components, regular labs extension manager. I'm going to put that key in there. All right. And there we go. And I can switch back to the screen here. All right. I've got a key in there. Articles anywhere. I'm going to refresh. And I'm going to update those to the Pro. Just going to switch back to get off of the key screen over here for regular labs. Okay. Oh, look at that. Vinny's already got it for me. Okay, great. So I'm going to go to System, Site Modules. I'm going to do a new custom. And then I'm going to use Articles Anywhere, the button down here. Now, Vinny's given me the code. I just want to show everyone how to use this. Articles category equals testimonials. 1 per category equals true. Order by random, ordering random. Okay, data tags. So that I just want to see category. Add a link. No. Categories. Testimonial. Sort by title. All right. Where did you find the 1 per category equals true? Was that a button here? Anyway, so you would go through and find this. Insert by title, include child got it or no. Add link. Order articles limit. Specify 1. Yeah, okay. Specify 1. Yeah, okay. You don't use the buttons. Okay, but yeah, articles limit 1. Order, random, and separator, no, default. Okay, so okay, so we insert, and we get something close to Vinny's link here. So he's got articles category testimonies 1 per category true, ordering equals random, link, text, link, articles. Do we need the okay, let's just try. Okay, let's try this. This is going to be content bottom. I don't want to see the title. Yeah, I thought that it would too, but yeah, we're just looking at that. So let's just try this. Okay, yeah, having category is going to give you a testimonial category name. Oh yeah, having category. So we want we don't want category. We want article, right? Was that what you've got in your link there? Link text. Oh, the custom field name. Yeah, yeah, so, but then I would put, okay, so I would put the custom field name, but then I have to do the formatting and everything. What do I do to display the article that I've already got all that layout on? That's what I want to put in here. That's what I'm let me just keep that code there. Just full article or content probably. Okay. You're talking about Bjorn for entering the fields all together. I thought about that as a subform. You could just put all the testimonials on one page and just add more. Thought about that. I just need to know what the tag is. If I click on there, do I get this? No. Hold on for a sec. We'll figure it out here. I just want the content. That's what I've got in there. All text. Yeah. I don't know if this. No. Okay. Yeah. Data tags. All. Text. Okay. It's odd that. Oh, it's only. Why is it not putting it in? But anyways, let's put text. Okay. Okay. Not sure if it includes custom fields. All right. Yeah, because there's nothing. Yeah, it's not including custom fields. All right. So if we were, the article would have to. All right. All right. Okay. Well, let's return to. Let's just return to the article one. New article. Easy Layouts Articles module. Easy Layout Single Article module. Module allows you to display select Joomla article and control the layout using Easy Layouts. Oh, okay. Easy Layouts allows you to filter a list of Joomla articles by core. Oh, okay. Let's try this. Specific layout to use. No. Okay. I don't think it's that. Articles. By the way, has anyone heard from Imran? I know he was really sick. I've not heard from him for like well over a week, almost 2 weeks. I tried to reach out to him, but normal. Okay. Articles to display 1 category inclusive of this category, testimonials, none, exclude current article, exclude or include articles, exclude or not exclude any. I'm gonna go testimonials and turn this off. Ordering options. Ordering options tab. Random. Thank you. Filtering options. Okay, let's just try that. I think we're on the. Oh. Let's assign it to content bottom. Dogs. It's showing the title. shows a link to it. Of course, oh my goodness. Yeah, the fields are not auto displaying because it's not showing that layout. If there was a layout to apply to the article showing, where would it be? I turned what off? Oh no, I turned it off. Yeah. Yes. So what I want to do, let's go back to layout override here. Okay. Okay, yes. Let me just fix my screen here. Something's got very wonky here. Okay, so we've made this layout. Now I want to display this article. I know I turned off the auto display, right? Display options for the option fields. So that's a single article. Let's make a new module. Let's see, what do we have for module? Is it easy layouts articles module? Put the field into each article. Yeah, I tried to, yeah, but that's why I wanted to get away from. I was trying to do this with easy layouts so that otherwise I could have just, yeah, easy layouts article module. Let's try this. Create an empty layout. Create. I should have add one more. You're not saying a random option, yeah. Okay. new. Yeah, so I want to create a module override. I want to create a module that randomly displays an article according to that layout. Because now if I turn on, yeah, I see what we've done here. So we made a layout, but I can't use it in a module because I've turned off. All right, let's see here. I'm just looking at my options here. I could create a custom. If I could create a custom layout for that article module, that would be great. Aha, I see. I've got myself in a spot here. Smart search, not that, not tags, not context. Articles by category module. Maybe that's it. Let's try this. Articles by category. Let's call this layout that. And we're going to create, and I'm just going to save this. Now in my articles in here, where do I assign in a module? Where do I assign in a module the layout? All right, the different. Yeah, see, there's the layout that I want for the module. If I had create module articles category default advanced. Yes, under advanced. Okay. So articles by category. It's almost like they don't have this new one in there. Module. Articles. Category. Okay, so I created for the art layout for the articles. Anytime an article will be shown there. If I'm going to put an article in there, I've got to get it so that it shows in articles anywhere, so that it shows with the custom fields or that particular layout. So this is not the override. This is not the module we want to override. this is the module we want to override. And it's just because it's not displaying it's randomly picking. Oh, it's not random. It's not randomly picking a testimony down there either. I wonder if that's because it's caching. All right. See, no caching. There we go. Oh, I turned off caching. Now I get different ones at the bottom. Okay. So basically, is there a way for me to take a layout override and to see the source code here and copy that right into a more traditional no. All right, well, no, I don't want to change that. Let's close that. Okay, so back to the original challenge. Now I just need that module to display an article. All right. All right, so can we put some fields in here? The data tag field. Yeah, I guess we could. I guess I could do that. All right, yeah, here we go. Testimony. Add. And source. We can insert. Yeah, see, now this is not inserting the tags. And I don't know why. Let's see here. Articles anywhere. Put something here, put an article. Let's try this. Oh, this would put an article. Filters, data filters. Okay, I want to the category, testimonials, data, field, We want the testimony, and we want a field, which is the source. Okay, other settings, order randomly, articles limit, specify 1. The default's probably 1. No. Okay, so here's our code up here. Let's copy it before it disappears. Copy, and we insert. All right, we got that. Great. Now, oh, did I not put the fields in there? I think I'm going to do data tags, filters, categories, testimonials, data tags, field, testimony, field, source. Okay. Other settings. Specify 1. Data tag field in articles anywhere. Right. Thank you, Bjorn. Articles, testimonials. Copy that. Insert. Let's publish this. Let's just see what we get here. I didn't get the random in there. Let me just paste that over here. And so ordering equals random before limit 1. Yes. Oh, that's ordering equals random. This module is caching, so I have to say no. Yeah, this is not... Yes, sirree. So this is still caching this page here. This is so these testimonials. I know I need to reformat them, which is fine. We have the CSS for that. Oh, let's see. Mary's got a link to. Oh, the Newsflash module. Okay, let's have a look at that. It'll turn off these two here. News. Okay. Testimonials. Show article images? No. No. Article title. No. Trigger plugin events. What's that? Number of articles 1. Featured articles show. Exclude current order results. Random. Content. Bottom. Okay. Must be somewhere where we pick the category. Testimonials. All right, news flash is down there. What are we missing here? Let's just show the title in case it's showing up. Caching, no caching, save. All right, so it's showing. Okay, so again, we're just at the point where it's not showing the fields because there's nothing in there. How do we get it to show the fields? I wonder if that's the module. Well, that's the prepare content. See, they've got default horizontal vertical. Is that one of the ones that we can lay a news flash layout override? I wonder if we can do module style. What does the module style wrapper do? Oh, look down here in the right hand side, specific module newsflash. Oh, it's only showing the ones that are enabled. Let's try this. Let's go back to here and enable the testimonials one. Let's go back here, save. Oh, look, everybody. And okay, let me just see what's behind me here. Look at this select specific module to do an override of. It is the testimonials module now shows up. Okay. So if we do that, now I'm making a module. Okay, testimonials. We'll call this layout. Save. Now if we go back to testimonials here, the layout applies to one specific module alone. You can select it here. Testimonials. That will be the only one. So I think that's where, oh, this is probably it. We don't select it. We just apply it to that. That means if I add a row and save and close, whoops, add a row. I just want it to be one. Save and close. That should be done by deleting the rows that you want. All right. That one, save and close. Now, if I go here and go add, I'm going to add a field. Oh, okay, let's just try this. If I do a bunch of 6s, okay, so now, okay, so that module's showing up there. So now, now in that layout, what do we put here in this row? This is tricky. All right, we figured out how, so this custom layout applies to that module, but we still have the problem of getting the field. Oh, sorry, I got my chat was frozen when I clicked on that link there, Mary. Trigger plugin events triggers custom fields. I've not used it. I'm trying to stick with core, never can. I'm reading that trigger was supposed to show the fields, so you move. I wonder if you removing it in easy layouts article layout prevents it from loading. Oh, okay. Trigger cont. Okay, so maybe we need to change. And thanks, Mary. Mary had to run, so. And we're down to a few people here. All right, so let's close this. Let's go to the Easy Layouts Article Manager. No, close. Testimonials. All right, hold on for a second. Why is there nothing in here? Is it just me? Is it just me, or have we lost that layout completely? That layout's gone. It's there. Oh, I think I trashed the wrong one. Whoops. Haha, that was scary. Custom field, custom field. I should also add trying to stay okay. All right, well, oh boy, okay, so articles, here, preview, we get that. Yeah, that's all right, we'll figure it out. I've got that working nicely there. That's the article. We did an article layout. Now, let's go modules, close. Let's turn off these two here. Just unpublish them. All right, so we've got that. Okay, so let's try this. Let's go components, easy layouts. Let's make a new single article and we'll match the default Joomla layout. And I'm going to just I'm going to assign this to categories behind me. Article body. Custom field. Testimony. Save and close. Let's just try this here. Let's see if we can get this field showing up here. wonder if in our module here, system, modules, articles to display. Oh, I wonder if we trigger plugin events here. All right, let's try that. That's not it. Module, content bottom, published, category, grouping options, ordering options, random. I think over here, maybe we have to select to actually display intro text. I wonder if that's going to make a difference. No. Yeah, Michael, thank you for hanging out. I'm just going to keep grinding away here. Down to 2 viewers here. I think it's me and Bjorn. Oh, so this is the testimonials. Okay. I also have this articles module down here that I did. Single article, testimonials, module style wrapper, testimonials 138. Excuse me. Where did I put that? 6, 6, all those sixes. Oh, look at there's module style down at the bottom there. Easy layouts, testimonials layout, modules, articles, easy layouts. Okay. Well, we got people coming and going here. They'll be wondering what the heck I'm doing. And it's 1:30. Maybe I'm going to pause and I'll revisit this. So that's probably a good time to wrap it up. We're close. There's something I'm missing. But we'll figure it out. All right. If anybody has left, there's a couple of you there left. Thanks, everyone, for tuning in and helping me today. Yeah, thanks, Bjorn. It was interesting. We're so close. When I figure this out... Well, look, when I figure this out, I'll have to maybe share it next week or something. Bjorn, have a great day. And anybody else that's lurking, I think it's just you and me. But as usual, Bjorn and me... let me get to the button here. Oh, Derek's there too. Okay, good, Derek. I saw that. Yeah, sometimes it's showing too. Maybe it's not showing me. And you too, Derek, and anybody out there. As usual, I hope that wherever this finds you, be it morning, evening, afternoon, or tomorrow, that you are well. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless. Bye-bye, everybody.